So we're going to go forward and we're going to do something kind of neat called hybrid learning, which means that you're going to have the opportunity to learn things both online and in class, and sometimes at the exact same time. The reason we're doing this is because next year the school is transitioning to Google Apps, which is a suite of apps that allows you to do things like write email, compose documents, compose a spreadsheet, make a presentation, kind of like you do in PowerPoint, and also it will help you sync events in a calendar. And I would like to take us into all of those things, but we're going to start with some really basic things like Gmail, and then go into, very briefly, Google Drive for the purpose of getting to Google Docs. So we're going to have about 3 lessons, and as we go forward, we need to be very mindful. We're going to have some things to remember, such as being thoughtful. You're going to have the opportunity to provide feedback for your classmates from time to time, and your feedback should be thoughtful. And the reason I say that is because you want the feedback you give to be meaningful to your classmate. You want them to gain from that. Whether you be contributing to a project they're doing or just adding a comment, always try to be thoughtful. You also want to be respectful. Opportunities are going to arise where your classmate may put something in a document that could be maybe sensitive or, kind of personal to them. You want to be respectful of that, because if you shared something personal or sensitive, you wouldn't want somebody to lash out at you or be mean. So you want to make sure that you're respectful. You also want to be considerate. Consider that not everyone's in the same situation or has been through the same things. So, try to have a little empathy. Be considerate of other people's feelings. Be kind. Treat your classmates the way you want to be treated when it comes to your responses and your interactions. And, don't walk off if you don't appreciate what they've shared and make fun of them. Be supportive. Use supportive words. And be constructive. Those two kind of go together, but what you want to do is try and give them ideas that are not put downs, but maybe just helpful. I see here that you said this. I would think that maybe if you said it this way, it might be more clear. And then at the very end, be creative. The sky's the limit. You have the opportunity to do something really cool with this. You get to collaborate, you get to share, and your classmates may benefit from it a great deal, as well as yourself.